now it is your turn to tell me how to get the probability of X greater than 37, and then find how many of the 200 shoppers will be inside the store more than 37 minutes. Okay, go ahead.
So you would do 37
Yes,
minus 43 over 12.
perfect. So
Um,
here our Z will be
so let me
equal
do that.
to 37 minus 43 over 12. Okay, calculate it and tell me.
Negative 0.5.
Perfect. Negative 0.5. So we will go to the Z table and search for negative 0.5 and try to know its probability. Negative 0.5. Yeah, here it
Negative
is.
0.5 and then 0, 0. So it's greater than 30.85%, right?
Yeah, so we are searching for what X greater than 37. So that means it is probability of Z greater than negative 0.5, right?
Right.
Okay. And as I told you, inside the table shows you probability of Z less than number, okay? So we will do what? 1 minus probability of Z less than negative 0.5. This is the same as probability of Z greater than negative 0.5, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, negative 0.5 will be here. And here it is.
Oh, okay, because you're finding the percent probability, because if the percent probability of it being less than 0.5 is 30.85%, then it being greater has to be 70, whatever,
Yes, perfect.
70%.
Now you understand
Okay, I
about
get, okay.
perfect. Okay, so 1 minus 0.3085. So it will be 0 point, I think, 69, right?
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
69.15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so how many of the 200 shoppers? So we will multiply this number by 200 to get the
Yeah.
number of people who will be in the store more than 37 minutes.
Uh, 200, point 6915. 138.3, so just 138, I guess.
Great. Okay, so any problems?
No, that was pretty easy actually.
Yes. Okay, another question from your PowerPoint, and then this lesson will be done.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, so say again how, how we will solve this. Say again.
Well, it says that the mean is 97,
Yes.
and it says that the x is 100 when it says the probability
Yeah.
that the level is less than
The
100.
standard deviation is 25. Don't forget this.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
So I said 100 minus 97 over 25.
Hmm.
And the answer is 0.12.
It will be 0 point, yeah, 1, 2. Perfect. Okay, so the question is less than 0.12 or greater? Less than, yeah,
Less than.
so probability of X less than 100 is the same as probability of Z here less than 0.12. And we will do the same step again and go for the Z table. Okay. 0.12. Where is it? Is it? Yes, here it is. 0.12. So I will search for, yeah, here is 0.12. That's it.
Okay. And it's less than that.
Yeah, and it is less than already. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so it will be 54.8 percent chance. Perfect. In this problem, we don't know Z. Okay, or by the way, we don't know X. All what we know is we have the mean height. Okay, so the mean is 65. We have the standard deviation. Okay, so he's asking here, what is the height that represents 95th percentile, which means what is the height that represents 95% from the whole data? Look, what is X here that represents what? 95% of the whole data, this area, which is about 95%, okay? Okay,
Yeah.
as I told you, we are comparing always X to Z. So let's make the question looks like that. What is Z that lies here in the 95% percentile, which is 0.95, right?
Yeah.
So how can I get it? Okay, so I will get this Z from the table. But this time from the table, I have now the probability, but I don't have the Z. Okay, so I will search for the Z from the probability I have already, which is 0.95. Look.
Okay. Makes sense.
Okay, so I will make a deep search here about where here 0.95. Let's search. Okay, 0 point, so yeah, so 0.95, look, to make it easy for me to search. So here is 0, okay, which is 50%. Look, 0 is 50%, right?
Yeah.
And 0.95 is here. So it will lie in the positive Z, and there is a negative Z. Okay.
Right.
So I will search for a number that lies before 3.4. That will be 0.95. Okay, so I will go. Can you see the strategy? Here it is. Okay.
Yeah, it's at
Wait,
1.6, right?
wait. Yeah, look. But we have to make it exact. Look, 0.95. Yeah, look here. This
Yeah.
is 949. This is 950. So between them will be 0.95 exact, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so I can write it like that. So its Z will be 1.66 what? This is, wait, okay, 0. This is 1.6, 0, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So in the middle will be
Uh,
45,
so
645,
before that, okay.
right? So this is
Yeah.
my Z. So now I have found Z. Can I find X? Of course, with the same rule, but this time we will write it in a different form, like that. Our rule, we know it is Z equal X minus U over standard deviation, right? But this time I need X. So X will be equal to the mean, population mean, plus Z times standard deviation. And by the way, remember this rule because we will use it later in other lessons called the confidence interval. I don't know if you really study it at college now. Did you study
I
the
think
confidence interval?
I think I have, but I
Yeah.
just am kind of forgetting what it is.
Yes, and you use this rule, by the way, U plus or U minus, and but not now. Don't we will not talk about it now. Okay, so the mean was what? The mean wait. Okay, let's go back to our Figma. Okay, so X will be U plus Z standard deviation. Our U is 65.3 plus Z that was 1.645 times standard deviation that was 2.86. Okay, do your calculation and tell me X is what?
69.805.
Yeah, so it's approximately 70 inches, right? Yes.
Okay.
So this is
Yeah.
our 70 inches is the 95 percentile of our X we are searching for.
Mhm.
So I think it's easy, right?
Yeah. So you basically just find all three of the numbers and then add them together.
Sorry, say again.
You find all three of the numbers, you find the Z, you find the standard deviation, and then you find the height, and that's how you get
Yeah, I
the
already have the
number.
population mean and I have already the standard deviation. Okay, so I used the information of 95 percentile to find the
Okay.
Z so that I can use it
Okay.
to find X.
Okay. And then after finding the Z, you just add them all up, and that's the number.
Yeah, in this rule, yeah.
Okay.
First quartile. First quartile, it means how much percentile, do you know?
Uh,
Or
25%?
no, 40, no, 25. Look, I will tell you
Yeah,
something.
that's what I
You said
said.
20, you said 25? Sorry,
25, right?
yeah, I heard 45. You said
Oh,
40
okay.
or 20? 40, right?
25.
Yeah, it is 25. Perfect. Okay,
Yeah.
and I will tell you something. Of course, you remember from the digital stat, the box plot, right? Here,
Yes.
the first quartile, the first quarter of the data. Okay, so this is the first quartile, which represents 25% of the numbers. And here is the median, which is a second quartile that represents 50% of the numbers of the data. And here's the third quartile, which is 75% of the data. And of course, this one will be the 100 percentile, which is all of the data. Okay.
Right.
So when he asks you about first quartile, so he means 25th percentile. Okay. So we will do the same thing. Okay. So we are searching for what? 0.25. Yeah. So this is 0.50 and this is 0.25, which is 25%. Yeah, here. Okay. So let's match Z. So that means our Z we are looking for will be here in the negative. So what is that represents 0.25% percentile or the 25th percentile? Okay, so we will search for 0.25 in the table, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so as I expected, it will be in the negative Z 0.25. Okay, let's search deeply for 0.25.
Oh, it's right there. It's one negative 1.9 and zero point 0.6.
One point what?
1.9 and then
Yeah,
zero point 0.6.
yeah. And it is exact 0.25, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so it will be one negative
Negative
0.5. Yes,
1.6.
so it will be negative 1.96. Yeah, that's it.
Then you add them all up together?
So yeah, I will use it in the rule. Okay, to find x. Now I have that, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, sorry. No, this is not 0.20. This is 0.025. I didn't see the zero. Yeah,
Yeah, that my mistake.
searching
Yeah.
for 0.25. I'm sorry. Okay. Where is it? Yeah, 245.
So it's 25.14.
Yes, so we will mm, wait, 25, 14, 24, 83. Yeah, so it's located here. Okay, so it will be here, uh, negative 0.6 and 6 what? 7.5. Yeah, because it's located here between 7 and 8. So it will be 675.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay.
And then add it. 65.
Standard deviation was 2.86. Okay, that's it.
And it's 67.485.
Yeah, but you made it negative 0.675, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. So that's it. Okay.